Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum my Muslim brothers and sisters. Check out this view from the roof of Masjid-an-Nabawi. We have got this pillar here on the right and these pillars on the left, and it is looking very beautiful. Wow. And if we move forward, we can see that on front we have got this hotel named as Darul Taqwa, and on little right, let me zoom it for you, we have got this hotel name as Golden Tulip al-Zabi. Now let's see this pillar. It is amazing, man. We have reached very close to Darul Taqwa Hotel. Now you can have a closer look at it. And this is Golden Tulip al-Zabi. And on the left we have got Tayyiba Suits and Tayyiba Front Hotel. And we have got some amazing structures here. And you can see people walking nearby. I think the most amazing thing about this place is the people here are united. They are like brothers. There is no such discrimination. Everybody is equal. And they all live here peacefully. That is something so much great about